Hello, happy 2022. I want you to stop for a moment and answer the following questions. What do you want more of in your life? What would enhance your current life experience? What would be a game changer for you? Today I would like to encourage you to choose a focus word that will help you to pay more attention to what's truly important to you rather than living life on autopilot, day in and day out. Is it health? Is it balance? Is it growth? Is it time? Is it patience? There are so many words to choose from, but one of them will be most relevant for you and your life. Deep down, you already know your word. Listen to what your inner voice tells you and go with that word. Many people never think about that. They react to what others want rather than create what's important to them. My focus word for 2022 is alignment. I want to get even better to align my thoughts and my actions. And I want to align myself with the people and things that feel right for me. Here are 3 reasons why a focus word can be so beneficial for you. Number 1, attention. You will get what you pay attention to. Number 2, intention. It's a great way to set your intention for the year and be proactive. Number 3, decision making. A focus word will help you by learning what to say yes to and what to say no to. It is so valuable to pay more attention to your journey rather than the destination. A word can tell a story, and your actions will tell the truth. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.